Yo, friends, see the face, you know, Gabby and I represent a big YouTuber, Cookaya. She named Vibes with Sarah. Go subscribe to our channel for you know the food play boss I talk to her. You know what's going on. Vibes with Sarah. Go check her out on YouTube.
Cheer! Cheer! Gabby Dan. Sorry.
Vibes with Sarah. Check her out on YouTube. I'm on.
Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? Alright, so today I'm doing something special, of course, as usual. This one is a little different. I actually have a friend here who's out of town who's asking for this dish, so we're gonna make her a special dish because she's requesting it. So this is what she wants, okay? She wants some cold foot. Alright, so we are going to make some curry cold foot. She don't want to be on camera, so we're not going to show her. We're just going to show you how we're doing this meal, okay? Alright, so this is what we need for the cold foot. We need a pack of curry. I have a little pack because it's almost done, so I'm going to finish this out and I have the other pack. You need your salt, black pepper, onion powder, some pepper, some butter beans, garlic powder, garlic, and pimento seeds. You need your bell peppers, your thyme, your onion, and your scotch bonnet pepper, and your scallions, which you guys call it green onions. Alright, and of course you need your cow foot, which I have fresh cow foot. So I went to the supermarket and I actually got it, the actual foot, and they chop it up for me. I have a little bit of that footage which I'm gonna show you. Alright, so let's get into how we season this cow foot. You know, I just want to big up my editor person because you know the editor person really do them things. So big up to you, editor. So anyway, let's go into making this cow foot. So we have to season it up, right? So we're gonna start off with some salt. And trust me, it might look like it's a lot of salt, but it's really not in the taste. My food is not salty at all. Alright, so you want to do this so you make sure all your meat gets seasoned. So I know this one is different because it's not chicken and it's not beef. It's cow foot. Actually the foot of the cow, but let me tell you something. Don't knock it until you actually try it. I don't necessarily cook this a lot, you know, but I eat it every now and then, like, you know, if my mom make it, stuff like that, you know. But since my homegirl wants it, she said that's what she wanna eat, we're gonna make her some cow foot, some curry cow foot. Alright, so what I did, I add some salt, some black pepper. Now I'm just putting a little hot pepper to it. Alright, I am going to add a little turmeric to this. Only because it's good for the stomach. So it's good to add a little turmeric to your food. It helps with the bacteria and all that crap in your food. Alright, so we're gonna add some garlic powder. Comment down below if you guys have ever tried cow foot. You know, I'm gonna get the comments of somebody that's gonna tell me, oh, it's disgusting. But you know, it's your opinion and I respect your opinion. I'm gonna add some fresh pimento seeds to this. I'm just rinsing it off. Alright, we're gonna add some onion powder to this. was gonna pressure cook this, but I figured, you know, for my viewers that might not have a pressure cooker, I'm gonna just do it I guess the long way by cooking this, you know. But I'm gonna cook it outside because it's gonna be too hot to cook this inside. So I'm gonna cook it outside on the grill. I'm gonna cook it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it without the pressure cooker. And then maybe the next time if I do make this dish, I'll show you how to do it with the pressure cooker. So let's get a spoon. Let's get some fresh garlic in here. And you want to put a lot of garlic in there because you want that flavor. They're doing craziness. Alright, so now I am going to add the curry powder. So as you put it in, you just want to spin it around. Get all that curry on there. Season your meat. Alright, so this is about a quarter pack of curry. I'm going to use all of it on this meat. So I just want to give it a spin, add a little bit more curry to it. I'm not gonna add the fresh seasonings to it. I'm gonna fry this up a little bit, and then we have to cook this down in some water because it's gonna get a little hard, the skin. This part is gonna get a little hard after, you know, it hits the hot oil. And then you wanna cook it down in some water. You gotta get it soft. So we're gonna have to cook this outside for probably about 2 hours, honestly. This should be it for the curry. Like I said, I'm not gonna add the other seasonings to it yet. I'm gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna start with frying this. After we fry it, then we're gonna add some hot water to it and let it cook and steam down. And then in about an hour and a half into it cooking and steaming down, it should get nice and soft. That's when we're gonna add the rest of our seasonings to it and our butter bean. All right, so see you guys outside. All right guys, so now we're back. The pot is nice and ready. Change my gloves as you see. So we're gonna dump into this pot. We get some thin this a little, keep it nice and coated in the oil so it doesn't crack and stick. Guys, this fire is hot. We're going to put this in. We want to let this fry down, I think, for like a good 10 minutes. You know, I'm going to come back in 5 minutes and spin it again. So I'm going to come back in 10 minutes. And I'm going to add some hot water to it. We're going to let it start spilling down, okay? We'll see you back in 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so now it's been about 10 minutes. So this is my thickness to it. It's going to get a nice little brown to it. So now we're gonna add some hot water. as you see. You want to add hot water so it don't change the temperature. Alright, we're going to add the whole thing. We're going to let this cook down for about an hour. Yes, sustainers, we are back. It is hot as I don't know what. So it's been about 2 hours, right? So now the water went down. Now the meat is a little bit much softer. So now I'm gonna add the thyme. Alright, I'm just gonna throw everything in there because it's so hot. I'm just gonna get the hell out of here. So put our seasonings in, put our stuffed onion pepper in. Okay, so we are going to let this cook down, say another 40 minutes. Alright, and then we should be done. Oh, then I'm gonna add the butter beans. Once I add the butter beans, ooh, that was hot. Then we're done. Fire hot, people, the fire hot. Alright, so we're just gonna cover this and let it simmer down, like I said, for another 40 minutes. We'll come back, we're gonna add our butter bean, and then it should be done. I'm gonna go in the house now and put on the rice. So I'll see you guys back in 40 minutes. Alright guys, we are back. So that was about, I say about 2.5 hours that we were cooking the cow foot, right? So our cow foot is done. I put it on a plate. This is what it looks like. See that? That's curry cow foot. It's nice and soft. See that? So I just want to show you guys. So this kind of has like a little gooey taste. At first it was really, really hard. You know, like it's a tough piece of meat, but you have to cook it down, like I said, you know, for a couple hours. So this is a request. Like I said, my friend is here. She wants it. She don't want to eat on camera, so of course I'm gonna taste it for you guys. So here we go. I haven't ate this in a long time. This is so good. It's really good. Comment down below if you've ever tried this. Are you willing to try this? It's really good, you know. It's different, but tasty. So anyway, thank you guys for sharing the video with me, watching the video. Please share it out with your friends. Please like the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please comment. Please make sure you comment. I love reading your comments and interacting with you guys. Please stay blessed and have a blessed day. Talk to you guys later. I'm gonna hit the shower. Bye.